Howdy, my name is Lear Kalo. I'm with the Texas A&M Electric Power Group, and today we're going to be covering how to open a case in PowerWorld Simulator. If you have a case already, excellent, but for the purposes of this demonstration, we're going to be downloading a test case from our website repository. The link for this repository website will be included in the description below. But once you navigate to this link, scroll all the way to the bottom. The test case we're going to be using is going to be this IEEE 14 Plus system case right here. Click on it, scroll to the bottom, fill out the appropriate information, and download the dataset. This will pull us to a Google Drive link with the zipped file. Simply download this file into a place of your convenience and where you desire. And this, again, is going to be a zipped file. Unzip this file, and within we're going to see four files that we're going to be using today. The main two we're concerned with are these two right here. If you want to open this case up, you can simply double click on this. It'll open up PowerWorld Simulator, and then it'll open up this case. The method we're going to be using today is actually, I've already opened up PowerWorld Simulator. And if we navigate to the top left of this program, click File, and then click Open Case. From there, we can navigate to where we've downloaded and opened this zipped file, and we can click on our PowerWorld binary file. Once we click on this, click Open, give it a second, and it'll pull up our case. This right here is our one line. That is shown actually through this PowerWorld display file. If the one line does not pop up, it's likely because you're missing this file. And be careful not to mix these two, because this is PWB and this is a PWD. So knowing that this is the PWB, the PowerWorld binary, is your meat and potatoes, and the case itself, the PWD, is the display image for this one line. So good thing to have a note of what those two are. But if you want to look at some of the case information regarding this, go to the top left, click on Model Explorer, and from here, once it opens, we can see the 14 buses we've got. We can navigate to the different loads and generators, and all the different things that this case has on the inside. But I believe that's it. But thanks for showing it on by, thanks for watching, and hope to see you for the next video.